How to delete or close Microsoft account. Basically, it is not that simple to delete a Microsoft account as a beginner, but here in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Microsoft account easily as well as permanently. So to do this, first you must need to log into your Microsoft account, and once you logged in, you have to click on your profile icon, and then you have to click on my Microsoft account. Now here in the account section, click on your info and then scroll down all the way to the end, and as you have to delete or close your account, click on how to close your account. Now here, if you want to read this instruction how to close your Microsoft account, you can read this. It's very simple, but for now let's scroll down and click on close your account. Now it asks you to enter your password, so let me enter my password real quick. So after putting your password, click sign in. Now here it says before you mark this account for closure, you will want to cancel any current subscription, cancel any current business or organization, blah blah blah. So if you want to read all this stuff, you can read, but for now let's click on next. Now at the top you can see it says this account becomes unrecoverable 60 days after you close the account. After 60 days, you will lose access to any service that uses the account for sign-in purpose. So keep this thing on your mind that you can also recover your Microsoft account within the next 60 days from the day you delete your Microsoft account. And here you can see what you will lose access to services, apps, etc. of Microsoft. For example, here you will lose access to Skype, Office 365, Xbox, OneDrive, Azure, and all other personal and organizational Microsoft subscription services and etc. You can read all this. And now you have to click on all these checkboxes. So let me do this real quick. And now here you have to give a reason that why you are deleting your Microsoft account. For example, I am deleting my Microsoft account as I am using a different one. So I am selecting this. And after giving your reason, click on mark account for closure. And you can see this is my Gmail, and this Microsoft account will be closed on 25 October 2020. And if I want to reopen this account, I can just reopen by just logging in. So if you are deleting your Microsoft account permanently, don't log into your Microsoft account within the next 60 days from the day you delete your Microsoft account. So now click done. And this is how you can delete your Microsoft account. You can close your Microsoft account easily as well as permanently. So if this video is helpful to you, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.